Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Laura and today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest, prettiest and most amazing earrings in the world. I don't know what is happening in your country, but here in Spain these type of earrings are super trendy right now, so I couldn't resist the impulse to make them for myself and I had to record this video just in case you are interested. Pinky promise is super easy, so all you have to do is to find the supplies and a gap in your agenda, of course. I'm using these nail decorations. There's lots of different designs, so it's up to you what you use. In my case, I'm gonna use these little suns and these little rhinestones. If you're going to use the rhinestones, just be sure it fits. Oh my god, it's super shiny! Next step is to glue it. I am using this brand, Hashulit. It's really good and it's special for jewelry. I think it's a German brand. All you have to do is to glue both pieces together and you have to let it dry. Just respect the timing for drying because that is important in this type of earrings. Cut yourself 10 centimeters of wire and bend it in a 90-degree angle. Now use your round nose pliers to make a loop. Pay attention how I'm making mine. Easy peasy. Now put the nail decoration over the loop just to check if it covers all the wire. If it does, just go to the next step, but if it doesn't, use your pliers to make the loop smaller. And once you're happy with the loop size, all you have to do is to cut the excessive wire. 5 millimeters from the loop, you have to bend the wire in a 90-degree angle again. I'm using my round nose pliers to make that little corner in here a little bit rounded, but this is up to you. Now I'm going to be using this UV resin because it dries faster, but you can use your normal glue, it's okay. I was recording and I had no time, but yeah, it's good for you to know different options. And all you have to do is to glue both pieces together. Try to find a bead with a big hole, especially bigger than your wire. For example, mine is slightly bigger. Here you can see the difference. Hold the bead with your pliers this way, and being very careful, pour some hot glue into the bead. Immediately stick a piece of wire into the glue. There's no need to run through the whole bead, just insert the tip. If you have any excessive glue, just remove it with your fingers, it's gonna be really easy. Okay, now take the wire out and insert it again and test it. If it remains in the wire, it's perfect. If it's not, repeat. You should have something similar to this. Now measure 1 centimeter from the nail decoration and cut the excessive wire. And file the ends. You can use a file or you can use this bead engraver. Is really useful for these type of things. As a jewelry maker, this is my best friend now. And well, the earring is done. I told you, it's really easy to make. And of course, as usual, I made different designs to give you different options. But if you ask me, I think my favorite one is the one with the rhinestone. It's so beautiful and shiny. Let me know how you're gonna make it in the comments below, please. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the bell to be notified every time I post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember, stay beautiful, smile and be very happy.